Okay, in this video I'm just going to show you how you can use micro-niche espionage to quickly drill down and find keywords and markets to enter. And just some of the simple ways that I use the tool to find markets and niches. What I like to do is I like to start with a broad keyword, a very generic keyword, because what this will do is it will return any keywords that contain my root word. And this is just a quick way to see a list of all the topics and sub niches and sub markets within a broad market. So I just like to start that way and then drill down and filter from there. So we're going to use the keyword mattress. We do a search and some query our database and return all the results that contain the keyword mattress. Pretty simple. So we have 5 pages of results, and by default they're 50 keywords a page. So there's roughly 200 to 250 results for this keyword. And so let's filter that down a little bit and just see if we can narrow things down a little bit. One things I like to do is I like to start with filter by the number of ads, around 4 or 5 or more ads. And what this means is this is the number of ads showing on the first page of Google for these keywords. And generally, the more advertisers, the more commercial interest, the more likely that since they're advertisers, more advertisers paying for these keywords, they're also going to make some AdSense clicks that are actually worth some money. So that's the second thing we want to do is we want to filter out average cost per click, anything that's higher than 50 cents a click, and get rid of everything that's lower. And then we'll do rank magnets that are 1 or more, so it contains at least 1 rank magnet or more. So we're going to filter these results, and this will just kind of clean things up a little bit for us and give us some better data to work with. So we close that off, and now we have between 50 and 100 results. And I just kind of like to look to peruse and see what kind of keywords we're coming up with here. We have single mattresses, best mattress for back pain, Kingsdown, Sears, twin mattresses. Basically, these are all kinds of types and models of mattresses. So then when I kind of see the kind of keywords that are there, I'll say, is there a way that I could maybe find a domain name that's going to go with all these keywords? Maybe I can find an exact match domain and then use a lot of these keywords within that domain to build it out with that site out with content. So as it happens, obviously I've done some research already. There is this domain right here, types of mattresses, and they have the .net and the .org available. Now, I wish the search volume was a little higher, 720 and 390 respectively, global, local, exact, a month, but it's the perfect domain name to go with all these other keywords, this types of mattresses, and all the keywords we have listed here are types of mattresses. And not only that, the cost per click is over $2. So even if you get a low search volume, you can still get some decent cost per click revenue coming in from AdSense ads. So what I would do is I would register this domain. I prefer org. That they seem to convert better, and sometimes I know in the past you seem to get a little ranking boost. I don't know if that is in effect as much, but I just like .orgs better. And so what you can do is, now that you have types of mattresses, you can just go back and look at all these other keywords. You could build a page for single mattresses. You could break it down by brand, Kingsdown, Sears. Then you have cot bed mattresses, single mattresses, cheap memory foam mattresses. I mean, just any of these keywords would go perfect with this domain. It would be related. It would be theme related. And you can see that all these keywords get decent search volume. If you look at the global, a good number of them get over 1,000 searches a month, exact match. Even in the local search, you get several that are over 1,000 searches a month. And what's cool is, if you kind of look at this data a little more, you see that for some of these keywords, that's multiple sites that are less than a year old ranking in the top 10. To me, this is just a sign that I'm not going to have to spend a ton of time and wait for my domain and my content to season forever to be ranked in the top 10. So you can see a lot of sites less than a year old ranking in the top 10. You have a lot of sites that have a page rank of 1, 0, or no page rank at all. You have multiple rank magnets and lots of AdSense sites. So all this market just looks ripe for the taking. To build some content around it. Look at these cost per clicks. Even when we adjust down for our AdSense earnings per click, which is our our metric that kind of tries to give a more realistic cost per click that you can expect, you still see many clicks over $1 per click. So that's just a quick way to drill down, quickly analyze, and put all the data together that you get with micro niche espionage.